Today I'm going to show you how to make UK TikTok account in Pakistan without UK SIM. Before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon for any latest updates. Let's start the video. Let me show you my TikTok first. I just installed the TikTok. I didn't log in any account. Let's make UK account. First of all, open Google. Now you have to make new Google account. For that, let's click add another account. Click create account and make personal account. You can see I create new account. Let's click next and finish the creation. Now close the Google, open TikTok. Click profile icon. Here click login. Now click on PK, which is written down here. Search here United Kingdom and select it. Now click continue with Google. Select the new account which we just created. Select any date here. Now go to profile. Click three lines here, go to setting and privacy. Click account and go account information. You can see here we just create UK account for free. You can now earn money from TikTok by uploading normal videos, but you cannot go live from it. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe my channel for any latest updates.